Welcome to this again tutorial where you get knowledge on few areas, and today we just want to cover something on HTML. We want to look at how to come up with the list of items, and also how to code the table using HTML. So stay put as I take you through this. You can also be practicing at the same time for you to understand what we are doing. So quickly, first things first, we want to do a table. So let me just put here a comment, because remember, comments we say are statements that are not compiled by the compiler, rather they are skipped. They are meant for explanations of what a given code would do. And in this case, how to write in HTML a code is, as you are seeing, you begin with this sign here, followed by an exclamation mark, and then you have two hyphens, and then you can write now the comment, the body of a comment. Maybe let's say that developing or designing. Let's use the word designing lists in HTML. So, and then you would, when you're closing it, use the two hyphens and followed by that sign, and that is how you close your comment. So having said that, I want to deal with there are two different types of lists that are known, and probably allow me to load another thing I want to show you. There are two lists in two ways. These lists can either be ordered list. We also have what we call unordered list. So when we say unordered, this is a list that does not have any order. That is to say, there are no numbers, or you can talk of Roman numbers or the whole numbers or ABC. Those ones are not in that list. Probably you have just done what you call bulleting of your element. That's what we call unordered. We can just say bullet, maybe bullets. On this other end, we have maybe A, B, like that. We also have 1, 2, or we have 1, 2. So that is ordered list. Unordered, you use bullets, and there are different tags that we use for these ones. For ordered list, we use this tag here, ordered list, like this. That is continuation to say whatever the statement we are going to write there, like that. So that is for the ordered list. For an ordered list, on the other hand, what you're going to do is you're going to have an ordered list like that. Then you have your elements. Then you will have to close it here with an ordered list. Just as simple as that. And just as I'm showing you, if you are practicing, I am very sure you'll be able to understand this and be able to write your code. So now let's do probably we can add another comment here. So we want to add another comment and say unordered list. So that's what we want to do. So you will define your list by unordered UL, and then you would want to give us the elements. Probably let's have a statement up here, maybe the following are the fruits that I love eating. This is not generally what I love doing, but for example, we want to use this list here. So I'll have that list up there. Then I would want to produce that list here now under this. So inside the UL, you will have the element for the list, li. In all this, you'll have li's. So maybe the first one is mango, Then you will have to close that li of yours like that. Then probably we're gonna have the second one, li, that is the list element, and we say apple, like that. No, it's like this. You li. Then you can have another one, maybe a third one. We can have another li here, and maybe we say orange. And then we close it li. And then once you're done with li, you now need to close your what? Now need to close your unordered list. And you save your work by Ctrl S, and you come back to your browser here, and then you refresh. And you can see here the following is a list of the fruits I love eating. You can see you have a mango, you have an apple, you have an orange. Maybe let me change the color of my background so that you can be able to see it. Let me just leave it blank. Blank means you take the default one, which is white. So this is what we have for now, and that is how you generate a list. We call it an ordered list. How about now generating the list for ordered? We want to order our list. So I want to show you how to go about the ordered list, on the other hand, in a quick succession for the three types of numbers that you know. So the first thing we would do, maybe let's just say another statement here. We can have a comment, and that is how we're gonna say ordered. So this comment will guide whoever is going through this code later on, just to know how to go about it. Ordered list. Ordered lists. So I want to say the following, maybe counties in Kenya, maybe just say counties in Kenya include, counties in Kenya include. So I want to do it without defining anything. In a manner, I will say ordered list. I'm not going to define whether it's going to be A, B, C, 1, 2, 3, or Roman 1, Roman 2. So I will have OL, ordered list, and then I'll have the first LI here. I would want maybe to have 3. Maybe I would begin by Machakos. I'll close the LI. You realize that LIs are elements within ordered and unordered lists. Sorry. Then we will have to have another LI here, and we're gonna have Nairobi. Then we close that LI. Then we're gonna have let's say another LI, and we can say here Migori. Then we can close this. So once you close that, and then you close your OL means ordered list, and then you save your work, and then you head back to your browser, and then you refresh, you can see oh yeah, I have a typo. Maybe this is the counties in our places. So you can see that definitely we now have the list up here, and the list has got 1 Machakos, 2 Nairobi, number 3 is Migori. What is happening here is that by default the lists take the numbers 1, 2, 3. Now what happens if we want to change that? Probably we want to use ABC, you know, or we want to use Roman 1, 2, 3. It's very simple. So probably allow me to have another comment here. Just below here, I'm gonna have another list on its own. Maybe say technical colleges in Kenya. Technical colleges in Kenya, for example. Here I want to use ordered list, but this ordered list I'm going just to mention maybe 3 or 4 using Roman numbers. So what do? I need to say ordered list like that. Then I'll introduce another element called type, and then I will equate, then I will provide the first element of the numbers that I want to use, the number system I want to use. Like this case, I'm going to provide that I, I means Roman 1. Okay, so with that I can now go ahead and say li, and then I can say maybe we have this is Ciala TTI, Ciala Technical Training Institute. I can close that li of mine. I can have the second li. Probably here we have Kisii National Poly li. I can also have another one li, and this would be Weru, maybe Weru Technical, and many others. So this is just for example how to develop this using Roman numbers. So when you refresh this, you can see the first one is Roman 1, the second one is Kisii National Poly, the third one is Weru Technical, and that is how you beautifully develop your website using Roman numbers. You have to introduce a type on that element. So then how do we go about what if I wanted to use ABC? I would want to use the same, but let me just show you. Probably I need to have a comment here, and the problem with HTML is that you cannot be able to, you will not be shown the error by the compiler because it doesn't have a compiler. It's a browser that renders this information. So you have to work extra hard for you to be able to notice the error and be able to correct it. So now what we do here, we want to say ordered list using A, B, C. So how do you go about it? Very quickly, let's just copy this because you already know how to write this. So let's just copy this and paste it here. And probably we want to use a different institutions, maybe Ciala, Ciala National Poly, Ciala National Poly. Maybe this is Kisumu, and this is maybe Wote. I don't know, it's also National Poly, but and then you come here, OL type, then you change this as A, and then you save your work. After saving your work, you simply refresh here, and just like that, you can see that numbers are A, B, C, and you had the other one as 1, 2, 3. So probably I would want to introduce something here and say numbers in Romans, and then I would say here I'm using numbers in alphabets, and then that would service for today. Numbers in Romans. Now I need to break this to be able to give me a different a different line altogether. So when I save this work, now you can see. So just like that, you've been able to learn something. What you've learned here, one, you've learned how to come up with ordered list and an ordered list. In the ordered list, we've been able to talk about the numbers. By default, it takes 1 to 3, and you can change it by introducing type, and that type you saw it here. So when you bring the first element of your number system, you will have it picking the rest. That was interesting. I believe you would also find this interesting. Share this, like it, and let's learn together. Have a good time.